Welcome to Andro-Indian, struggling to connect project management theory with real-world execution. Today, we're bridging that gap. In this video, we break down how project management principles and performance domains work together to drive successful delivery. Why do principles matter more than processes? Because principles define the why behind every action you take on a project. Let's explore how mindset transforms into action across the 7 core performance domains that define modern success. First is governance. This is your framework for decision-making, ensuring every project aligns with Andro-Indian's strategic goals. Next, we look at stakeholders. It's about moving beyond just managing to actively engaging and delivering value to everyone. Defining exactly what we are building ensures we deliver on our promises without unnecessary scope creep. Schedule is your heartbeat. It's not just a timeline, it's the strategic pacing of your project's lifecycle. Finance covers the resources that fuel your work. Efficient budgeting and value engineering are key to project sustainability. At Andro-Indian, we focus on empowering talent and optimizing physical assets for peak performance. Proactive risk management isn't about avoiding danger, it's about being prepared to navigate uncertainty with confidence. So how do we align this mindset with execution? It starts with leadership and a commitment to professional excellence. In the fast-paced Indian tech landscape, these principles are the difference between a project that just finishes and one that truly delivers. Think of the precision in metro expansions or the agility of UPI systems. These are principles in action. Let's dive deeper. Stakeholder engagement means understanding the value delivery system of your specific organization. Governance isn't just about rules, it's about clear accountability and strategic alignment at every level. When planning scope and schedule, the Andro-Indian approach balances flexibility with rigorous milestone tracking. Every rupee spent must contribute to the product lifecycle. That's the essence of project finance and value engineering. Optimizing resources means fostering a culture of ownership and collaboration within your project teams. Risk management turns threats into opportunities for innovation, ensuring your project stays on track through any storm. To summarize, principles guide your mindset, while the performance domains structure your execution for consistent results. Mastering these will transform your delivery. For more guides and project leadership strategy, visit androindian.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our community of professional excellence. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.